good afternoon. We're just out for a little ride. Temperatures have lifted from this freezing temperatures we've had. A little bit of sun before the rain comes tomorrow, so thought I'd get out. I've just been doing a couple of jobs on the bike, so just a bit of a test ride. But yeah, one of these quick release SKS mudguards. I've got the front and the rear, but I didn't need the rear. That can go on my other bike, but the front just attaches by that. That's it. Perfect. So that goes right down to there now. Plenty of clearance with my foot. And also changed it to hydraulic brakes. I was having issues with the mechanical ones. Tried everything. I run the cables on the outside so they weren't down through the frame and stuff like that. So they were one continuous cable, well, a plastic bit. I mean, like this where it's split. It was like that for the brake as well, and was getting a bit of corrosion. So changed that. Put new pads in. Still no joy. So I've gone for Shimano MT200s, I think. They weren't badly priced. So these are very similar to the ones on my mountain bike, and they're brilliant. So I'm just bedding these in at the moment. But yeah, it's quite warm in the sun actually. You know, I might have to strip a layer. I'm just going to do a loop, maybe 10-12 miles, just to keep the legs turning really. It's just nice to get out, but it is pretty calm. I think this is the calm before the storm that's due in tomorrow. I can't remember what it's called. Is it Bert or something like that? But yeah, wind and rain, sleet and snow, whatever. Depends where you're at. But I think further down country they've had snow. We haven't had any up here. We've been lucky. We've had the cold. It was -8 last night. The night before wasn't too bad last night. But yeah, I'll continue further along.